best ever toad in the hole. Toad in the Hole is an all-time British classic with an unusual name but massive appeal. And this version with bacon is a knockout. To start, place your flour, eggs, milk and salt in a blender. Blitz until smooth. Cover and set aside for at least 30 minutes to rest. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Then take your sausages and your bacon and wrap one bacon rasher around each sausage and place them in a roasting pan. Drizzle the sausages with oil and pop them in the oven to roast for 20 minutes or until the bacon starts to brown. While the sausages are cooking, make the mushroom gravy by first heating the oil in a medium saucepan over a medium heat. Add your mushrooms and cook stirring occasionally for 6 to 8 minutes or until golden. Add your flour and cook stirring for 1 to 2 minutes or until grainy. Now slowly add your stock and beer, stirring continuously until smooth and well combined. Bring your gravy to a simmer and cook for 2 minutes until it thickens. Stir in the relish and cook for another 2 minutes or until well combined and heated through. Cover the gravy to keep warm. At this point, add beer or stock to the Yorkshire pudding batter and stir to combine. Transfer the sausages to a plate and then pour the batter into the pan. Arrange the sausages and sage on top and return to the oven and bake for 25 minutes or until golden and puffed. Once it's ready, quickly sprinkle the toad in the hole with salt and pepper and serve with your mushroom gravy, some boiled peas and extra sage leaves. Try this delicious bacon twist on a classic toad in a hole. A great weeknight dish for the cooler seasons.